Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor. Well, today we're on a quest, and that quest is to answer the age-old question, what do you do with a drunken sailor? And I think I found the answer. You give them rum. So today's cocktail is going to be a nice one. I think you'll enjoy it. So join me, and let's get pouring the Rum Runner. Being a drunken sailor, we need something simple, and this one is really easy. It's equal proportions of all our ingredients. We're going to start with a couple of juices, and the first being pineapple and orange juices. We've got freshly squeezed pineapple juice, and that we're going to put in there about 1 ounce. Next, we are going to put in there some freshly squeezed orange juice, and once again, 1 ounce. Next, we are going to start with our liqueurs. And our first off is going in there is a black raspberry, and we're going to put in there 1 ounce. Next, we are going to use Banana Liqueur. And if you're pouring with a free pour, you can count, and if you do a count to 4, that's about 1 ounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we are going to add in there 1 ounce of Bacardi rum. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our last pour is going to be a Black Rum. And today we're using Gosling's, and 1 ounce of that. Next, we're going to add some ice, and we're going to give this a shake to cool it down. We're just about ready. Next, we're going to take a glass. Once again, some more ice in there. Going to put fresh ice in the glass. And now we pour. We're hitting the home stretch, folks. Last but not least, what we're going to do is we're just going to float a little bit of grenadine on the top of that. And all we got left to do is garnish. Today's garnish, we are going to use pineapple. So we're going to take a nice wedge of pineapple, that goes in there. We're going to make it pretty. We're going to put a couple of pineapple fronds in there. And there you go. This is what you do with a drunken sailor. If you want to see more, don't forget to hit subscribe. But there you go.